a very quick update here on nat gas, gold and crude oil. Starting with nat gas. So what do we have here? So since yesterday the price is pushing down, and as you can see the price is making new lower lows and continue to push down, and these are just pullbacks in a downtrend. So no need to get panic here when you see this type of pullback, unless there's a big situation out there in the world and price just dramatically push up. Otherwise, this is the normal pattern in the downtrend. Price always takes a breather when it is pushing down in a trend until the price hit a major area of value. And like I say, never fight with the trend until it bends, and I'm expecting this trend to bend here in this major area of value, which we are waiting since a couple of weeks now. We've been taking some nice trades, nice sell trades, and all we need to do, be patient and just look for sell opportunities. The way I look for sell opportunities is just with these type of pullbacks followed by a bearish engulfer, pullback followed by a bearish engulfer, pullback. We do not have any sort of bearish engulfer, but if we have a pullback at 20 EMA and if we have a bearish engulfer, we will enter another short until we hit this green area. So enter your trade once you see a signal. So be patient and have the zones on your chart. I'm still expecting the price to hit this 1.618 retracement and this major zone. Let's see what's happening with gold. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, we had a dramatic push up. We had some big news events today. That is why we had this fundamental push up right here, and we only had one candle that is closed below this zone, followed by a bullish engulfer, and that zone has acted as a level of trend continuation zone. If you know the way I trade, now at this point price turned bullish again, looking at this nice uptrend. As you can see on a daily time frame as well, price is just pushing up in a nice uptrend, and we are also getting this nice 382 candle or a pin bar. So looking at that, I'm still expecting a price to push up, and we will only take long trade with a pullback until we hit the major level of resistance. In case you missed it, it is 1958 goes up to 1984, the zone from where we will enter our sell counter trade with one of the bearish engulfer pattern or with my double top entry pattern. So keep looking for bullish trades, not entering sell at this point until the price completely break and close below this green zone right here. Let's check crude oil. Right, so crude oil is now pushing down, broken below all the EMAs. This is just a pullback, and now we might get a bearish candle here. Now if the next candle, this current candle that closed as a bearish candle, a bigger candle than the previous one, in that case we are good to go short, and we will enter our trade here, and the target will be 1 ATR at the close of this candle. So at this point, not entering buy, just look for sell opportunities. If that closes as an engulfer, we have a sell signal until the price hit this next level of support, that is 73.99 goes up to 76.42, from where we will enter our buy trade with one of the entry conditions you learn here and in my priority group. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.